The state constitution says that the state budget is to be enacted every year by June 15th. It also says if it's not done by June 15th, legislators lose their salaries. It actually happened a couple of years ago. So here we are about 11 days before the deadline. And is the budget ready? Not by a long shot. There are big problems with the state budget this year. Not pitting Democrat versus Republican as usual, as happened many often in the past. But this time it's Democrat versus Democrat versus Democrat. A kind of a three-way thing between the Assembly, the Senate, and Governor Brown over how much money there is to spend and how to spend it, even if you decide how much money there is to spend. There are a lot of specific issues, not including the governor's plan to rather radically overhaul how schools are financed in California. And only 11 days to go. Will it happen? Well, it probably will, because legislators don't want to lose their salaries. But whether it's a real budget or just something they throw together to comply with the law remains to be seen.